Hi, Stuart Barn here, and in this video we're looking at the major blues scale cage shape number 3. Here is an A major chord, cage shape 3. So that's the one that looks like an open C. Here is the A major blues scale shape 3. As with the other shapes, it's important to visualize the chord that you're playing over because that shows you which are the chord tones, the notes that are already in the chord, and the notes that therefore sit most comfortably with the chord. The note that we've added in to get from major pentatonic to major blues is the flat 3. Now, as I mentioned in the previous shapes, this is just one of the minor pentatonic notes. Here it is here, and then again, there. So, remember those. And try to use it in the two ways we mentioned in previous videos, which is with emphasis to create tension and in passing for a jazzy kind of sound. Let's do both examples again. Here is an A major in passing. And tension. You get the idea. As usual, put in your practice regime, play over A, switch keys, do it in D, have a go in that key, keep moving things around, do all 12 or 15 if you want to be strict keys, and sooner or later it will become a nice comfortable shape just like the minor pentatonic ones are. I hope you found the video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and a subscribe if you did, and feel free to share. See you in the next video.